Good morning, students. Today in this video we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 8 of your textbook, quadrilaterals. So the name quadrilaterals, quad stands for 4. Okay, just like triangles, we have a three-sided three angles, that means that is a triangle. Now this is the topic quadrilaterals. The topics you have to cover in this chapter are: first, angle sum property of a quadrilateral; second, types of a quadrilateral; then we have properties of a parallelogram; and last but not least, the midpoint theorem, very important one. So as you have read chapter number 7, that is triangles, in that triangles we have read about the properties of triangles now and the congruency of triangles, and also in chapter number 6 you have read about the triangles, that is angle sum property of a triangle. So angle sum property of triangle is that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means if we have a triangle, we have three angles, three sides and three vertices. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here, first of all, you must know what is a quadrilateral. Children, here if we join three non-collinear points, then only we can get a triangle. But if we have three collinear points, then we get a straight line. So now for quadrilaterals, we have quadrilateral is nothing but it is any four-sided closed figure. If I join these points, non-collinear points, so we get a quadrilateral. Quadri means four-sided figure, so four-sided. So we have a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, you will just see we have four sides, four angles and four vertices. Here A, B, C and D are the vertices. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, and these are A, B. So we have four sides which are A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. We have four angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, and four vertices, that is A, B, C and D. Just like a triangle, we have only three sides, three angles and three vertices. So any four-sided closed figure is called a quadrilateral. Now let us move to first one, that is angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Let us talk about angle sum property of a quadrilateral. And angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So let ABC be a quadrilateral. Now what we will do, we will draw one diagonal. Let us join AC and we get a diagonal AC. This diagonal divides the quadrilateral into two triangles. Now this is triangle 1 and this is triangle number 2. So as you know that a triangle has three angles and the sum of the angles of one triangle is 180, and we have another triangle, it's also 180 sum. So 180 plus 180 we get a 360 degree. So let us prove it. So we'll write here first, what is your theorem? This is prove that angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So given is what is given to you and what you have to prove, and then we will start the proof. So first, given is a quadrilateral ABCD. This is quadrilateral ABCD. Then what you have to prove? You have to prove angle A, angle B plus angle C plus angle D. The sum of these angles is 360 degree. But here what we have done, we have drawn a diagonal AC. So therefore we must write here construction. So the construction is that draw a diagonal, you can say join AC, draw a diagonal AC. So now we will start the last, that is proof. What you will do, you will take first triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, so let us naming the angles. We get 1, we'll have this type of 2, we'll write it 3, 4, then we have 5, and then we write it as 6. So in triangle ABC, so in ABC we have angle 1, angle 3 and angle 4. Angle 1, angle 3 plus angle 4, this is equal to 180. Why? Because of angle sum property of a triangle. Now in another triangle, in triangle that is next one, ADC. Okay, very easy. We have again 3 angles, 2, 5 and 6. 2 angle 5 and 6, that is also the sum will be equal to 180. You can take a second. Again the reason is angle sum property of a triangle. Now we add first and second. What you will get? You will get angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to, in the right hand side we get 180 degree plus 180. So angle 1 plus 2, just it is nothing but angle A. Then what is angle 3? We have a figure, we have angle 3, then we have 4 and 5, angle B, then we have 4 and 5. So now we have angle 4 and 5, that is angle 6. So that is 4 and 5, then angle 6, 4, 5 is nothing, it is C, because this is A, B, C and D, angle C plus angle 6 is angle D. So 180 plus 180, we have 360 degree. That means sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Hence this is the what you have to prove, that angle sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree.